Lifetime Products offers a full line of recreational kayaks, perfect for your next outdoor excursion. The innovative sit-on-top kayak design has opened a new era in paddle sports that appeals to the spirit of adventure in all of us. People of all ages and skill levels can now enjoy exploring lakes, oceans, and other flatwater paddling with Lifetime kayaks. The 10-foot Lifetime Manta kayak provides comfortable, balanced seating for solo, tandem, or family fun. With a 500-pound weight capacity and 3 seat positions, the Manta is the perfect multi-purpose recreational kayak. The raised seat position is ergonomically positioned to provide maximum comfort by keeping your legs below your seat for improved circulation. The contoured seat design is easy on your spine and provides comfortable seating for hours of paddling and exploring. One of the main features of the Manta is the extreme stability and safety offered while aboard the kayak. The wide platform and tunnel hole design makes it very difficult to tip over and easy to get into from the water. Constructed of high-density polyethylene, Lifetime kayaks are UV protected and will not fade or turn brittle in the sunlight. They are durable and impact-resistant to prevent denting and scratching. The unique design of Lifetime kayaks also include built-in shock cord straps and various compartments to help secure loose items. Molded paddle cradles and scupper holes are built into the design for added convenience, along with multiple footrest positions to allow for different size riders. The Lifetime Manta kayak is made for convenient transportation and storage. The lightweight design has built-in carry handles on the front and rear, making it easy for everyone to carry it to and from the waterfront. The convenient size can easily fit on roof racks or truck beds. Our design can be strapped to the top of a vehicle or stored in the shed or garage without taking up much room. The Manta is designed with plenty of extra features to ensure you have a great paddling experience. Paddle cradles are conveniently molded into the rails, and the Manta also includes built-in fishing pole holders. Lifetime offers a variety of extra accessories, including paddles that are durable, adjustable in length, and have multiple feather positions. Our adjustable backrests are padded to provide extra comfort for those longer paddling excursions. So enjoy the versatility of the Manta kayak from Lifetime Products. Use it solo, tandem, or take your family on your next paddling adventure. The Manta gives you the perfect reason to enjoy the great outdoors, giving you hours of fun and endless adventures.